This book will save you time. Let me show you how. I'll talk a little bit about my journey. In 2005, I was challenged by a couple of buddies to, within a year, train and compete in a natural bodybuilding contest. In 2006, I met the challenge, and I loved being on stage. However, I was spending 16 to 17 hours a week in the gym and had small kids and a family at home, so that wasn't working for me. So I did a lot of research, a lot of reading, a lot of trial and error, and took 3 years off before I competed again, which is when I put my first book out, Fat Burning Secrets, the first edition, in 2009. This is that I got better and better using my new method from my book, which was only taking 4 hours a week. Better diet, more efficient exercise routine, both cardio and resistance exercise. Third edition, with input from Sharon Bruneau, fitness icon, and she even wrote the foreword for the book. And this is the third edition. But this book is not just for bodybuilding. This is for anybody who wants to get in shape but doesn't have a lot of time to spend at the gym. Get it on Amazon or at fatburningsecrets.tips.